I don't take fault. I'm just driving. Yeah, we seen what happens when you go out by yourself. Yeah, I don't know if we're going through that one though. Yeah, looks like. I never said I wasn't going.
Oh yeah, I'm about to get.
Don't be scared. You're freestyle.
Strapping back here, YJ. Woo! Move that.
I didn't hear you. You want to get in?
No, I'm gonna go walk around. Hard back on the side of it.
That's what it seems like.
He can probably even come up into here to get more hard ground.
I need a shackle too, because this one I got on the back is C-clip.
Yeah, I'll probably come up and get over a little more.
We gotta wait. We gotta wait for Perry. Gotta make sure Perry doesn't get stuck. Yeah, that's Pimp.
Oh, him? That's fine.
As soon as you hit that little left corner right there, there's a fucking hole.
Oh, fuck, hole?
Not mud, not deep, just a fucking hole.
How's the hole?
This one.
That one?
Someone rotted that bitch up.
Whoa.
Somebody this is somebody's donut spot.
I'm in that hole. That hole? Whoa! Whoa. I am back.
Probably a donut spot because you can't go no further than this.
Go, Dad.
Oh.
I'm about to whip this home.
Whip it. How big? You big, Dad.
Hang on.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Let's going. Let's stop. Let's stop that.
As soon as you hit that little left corner right there, there's a fucking hole. Not mud, not deep, just a fucking hole. This is somebody's donut spot. Oh. I don't know what's around the corner. That's how you give me 2 seconds to hit these buttons right here. Wasn't too bad. There's a root right there at the end, but I mean, it seems like it's getting pretty tight. Oh, maybe not. I mean, I don't want y'all to come through it and then we have to fucking turn around up here, and then 3 Jeeps turn around. Cause I don't know. Better find us another trail then. No, that don't suffice. But keep going, I got you.
I think the left one might have been easier.
No, I bet that bitch got no bottom. Oh shit. Oh, it's deep right there, kid.
Brad, that shit right there looks so fucked up compared to the left.
It does, don't it? Maybe we should try the left.
The left looks like you cruise. The right looks like you fuck.
It's making me not want to try much more. Because I'm about waterlogged.
Yeah, I was about to say, I gotta go let my dogs out.
Watch out. I'm not. Oh. It's the left side. It looks good. That's nice. I was just trying to get away from all that bullshit.
Traction, hey, turn your traction control off and put it in first. Your rear's not locked. It's a hole there, buddy.
That is not. That.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't look bad. He said 4 low.
I don't want y'all to come through it and then we have to fucking turn around up here. And then Tree keeps turn around.
Too late.
Because, I don't know.
Too late.
We're all here now, baby.
Oh, you fuck. Cute.
Oh, it's a little deeper over here. A little slick over here. Two-wheel drive.
Yeah, I was at 4-wheel.
I'm in 2-wheel still.
I didn't know what I was getting myself into.